mask girl. I call her mask girl because she is always wearing a mask for no reason. But why? Ew! Kapatid mo! What do you mean? Guys, look at us. You know what is this? I had the picture. Because he said she had a beautiful face. That's why she doesn't want to go in the picture. No, it's true. Okay, now we're downstairs at the school. Okay, because I hate school. That's why we're going home. Yeah, and I almost skipped class earlier because bye.
Teacher mo.
My bestie, right here.